Are you actually converting people into paying clients? I had someone tell me last week that they have appointments with people, right? And at the end of the appointment, maybe they'll have 5 people, and the people are not purchasing the main thing. They're just buying little things here and there. And that's, to me, that's like a big red flag. That's telling me there's no pre-qualification. There's no social proof, right? We're talking about what we want, not what they want. So there's some tweaks that you can do in your business, but I want you to think about your time. Time is money. And I want you to figure out what you are making per hour. Okay. Now you're in charge of that if you have your own business, right? You can easily tweak what you're doing and increase your average, right? But think about that. And some of y'all might be mad at me for saying this, and I'm so sorry, but it is real talk about business and sales.